Okay, good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? So, welcome to the weekly chart breakdown video on Euro USD, how I'll be trading this week. So, looking at this week now, I'm starting from the economic calendar. So, I go to my www.forexfactory.com. So, on forexfactory.com, I'll be able to, understand what news should I be expecting for the week. So, what economical report will be coming out for this week in order to be aware so that I don't get misinformed about how the market will be moving this week. So currently this week, I think we'll be having the Fed speaks on Tuesdays and Wednesday, looking at they having to cut rates because they've been promising to cut rates. So I think if we have a nice rate cut, maybe we can see a nice volume coming to the market. On Thursdays, we're having the pound GDP. We have inflation rate on Thursday, month, year. That's a very strong unemployment claim. We have on Friday we have PPI, mm, and that's so. These are the clearly the news we'll be having for this week. So since I understand this, I'll be aware that by 3 p.m. on tomorrow and 3 p.m. next tomorrow, it is very important that I keep in mind what to stay out of the market during this period so that I don't get cluttered or get caught in this kind of movement in the market. So taking you down to my chart right here. So now, like I told you guys, this is the weekly time frame. Start from the weekly time frame. I'm looking for the open and the close of the week. So this breakdown is coming in on Monday during New York session. So now that is the open of the week. Now looking at that, I understand that area. Then I'm going down to my daily time frame because I want to understand what price, what trend the market is, what direction are we looking into the market this week. And I told you guys I changed this week my chart to the Aikinachi. I've tried to replay this, that's why. But looking at that, we're in an uptrend. So I've noticed that the market is in an uptrending structure. So I had this lower high, lower low, and I had this looking like an higher high now. So this was where we had the break of structure. So pending that, I've not seen any red candle yet, so I can't say that is an higher low yet, higher high yet. So, but especially that the market has broken this structure. So it's a clear uptrend. So majorities of my trades this week will be on buys. Or majority of the trades I'll be looking to take this week will be on buys. So this is where the market broke structure. So this is this lower low. This is this lower high. Now on the 4 hours time frame, I've modified that. Then I know what I'm looking at. So I can put that there as lower high, lower high, right there. So I have my lower low. So I know this is now an high. But pending that time, I need to see a full stop. So broke structure right there and twice push down. That was on the daily time frame. So now I'm looking to get my zones for the week. So I can see this supply. I can see this other block type of supply. I can see this zone and I can see this zone right there. So whatever I'm looking for price to do, I'm really looking for price to pull back. Then this one is still far from price, but I can always keep this one right there. So now I understand those particular region. I'm trying to put out this, also close out this to put this as my open of the week and the close of last week. So since I understand this, I'm looking to sell. I'm looking to buy from the below the close or below the open price of the week so that I can push to the upside. So that keeps me solid in the market. So I got a major right there too. Got this quite close, but that's a nice area. So here comes a nice area. So guys, once I've been able to get through to get out my supply and demand zone, so I'm looking to sell below this price. So this is the actual demand zone that I'm looking to buy from this week. So if I could get price, push into this demand zone, then I'll be looking for price to push away from, maybe push into this supply, then push into this demand, then I'll be looking for price to go higher. So if we have to see that on by Tuesday, Wednesday, we have to by the Fed, we get some rate cuts, we can actually start to buy off from that demand zone straight into the next zones. So this is clearly what I'll be looking for on Euro USD this week, and I hope the market plays out just exactly. So presently now the market is playing out, and I've seen price shy down into the demand zone and almost getting to it, but played back into that major supply. The price has now started to reject. So exactly like how I predicted, push up into that zone, push down from this zone, and I'm looking them to push further into this zone to push back into this supply zones at the top. So let's see how this comes out for us this week, guys. So you guys stay tuned in the group, and you'll be able to enjoy and benefit from the signals I'll be sending on this particular setup this week.